What is going on, guys? Welcome back to another Android application development video in Android Studio. In this video we are going to learn how to connect our Android application to the Firebase automatically. I have also uploaded the video of how to connect manually. You can check the link in the description. In this video we are going to do it automatically. So let's get started with new Android Studio project. Click on empty activity and click on next. Give the application name. I am giving my application. Select Java and minimum SDK. Click on finish. So our project is loaded successfully. So to connect Firebase, Android Studio has given us the tool by default, that is Firebase Assistant. So to enable that, let's go to Tools, Firebase. You can click over here. It will open the assistant over here. Now you have all the Firebase services you want to add. So you can add real-time database, cloud Firestore, cloud storage, anything. If you want to connect, you can select any of these and get started. I will use Cloud Firestore. Get started with Cloud Firestore. So first option is connect your app to the Firebase. Simply click on connect to Firebase. So it is saying application need to build. I will click on build. So after build is successful, again click on connect to Firebase. Now it will launch in web browser. So here it is opened in web browser Firebase, so you can log in with your Google account and click on create project. Application name is extracted automatically. Click on continue. Continue. Select an account. Select default account. Create project. So our project is ready. You can click on continue. So as you can see, your Firebase Android app has been created in Firebase. Connect. So here you can see your Android Studio project is connected to your Firebase Android app. So let's go back to the Android Studio. You can also see here it is connected. So that's it for connection. We have already connected our Firebase to our application. So you can use any of the services. Test, I will use the Firestore. So I will add the Firestore SDK. Click on accept changes. It will add the dependency automatically. So as you can see, dependency is set up correctly. So we have added dependency also. Now we have to create a database in Firebase console. So click on Firebase console over here and click on your project, that is my application. Here create a database. I'll create a database in test mode. Select location and click on enable. So our database is created successfully. We have no data, so let's add the data. So here we have document also. We don't need that. Minimize this assistant. I will create a Firestore instance and I will initialize in onCreate method dot get instance. So now we can add data in our Firestore. So to add, I will create a map for data, string object. I will name it user. So I'll add some data to this map. First name, easy. Copy this last name, tuto, and description I will add scribe. This data I want to add in database. So for that, Firestore dot collection, create a collection of users, then add this user dot. So it will add user to the user collection. So we have to test it is success or not. So for that we have to add a success listener. So add on success listener, new on success listener. If it is success, it will call this method. We can show a toast over here. Success dot show. If it is failure also, we can add failure listener, new on failure listener. We can copy this toast, paste it, we can write failure. So let's run this application and test the data is added or not. So I will select the app and run it. So our application is launched successfully and we have this success message. So it means data is added. So let's go to the Firebase console and check. Reload this. So yes, user collection is added. We have data, description, first name and last name. So this is all about the automatic connection of Android Studio application to the Firebase. If you want to learn how to connect manually Android Studio to Firebase, you can check out this video. Link is in the description. So that's all for this video. If you like this video, please hit the like button. If you have any doubts and queries, please comment below. See you in the next video. Bye bye.